What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to pair a phone to a 2020 Nissan Pathfinder using Bluetooth. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone in this video. Other phones will be similar. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my phone's settings and open the Bluetooth menu and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our center screen. If we're not already there, I'm going to go ahead and click the phone menu from right here. It's going to tell me no phones are connected. And then up here, I'm going to click Add New. Now we're going to grab our phone. And this is popping up as NN. As you can see, it says device name NN right there. So NN, go ahead and click on that. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. So as you can see there, we're now connected. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.